Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious jackfruit milkshake. This easy guide will help you create a creamy, tropical treat in no time. You'll need ripe jackfruit, your preferred milk, and a touch of sweetener. It's a fantastic way to enjoy the unique flavor of jackfruit, offering a refreshing and satisfying drink. Get ready to blend up something truly special and impress your taste buds. Now, let's get blending. Start by carefully preparing your ripe jackfruit. Remove the large seeds and any fibrous, stringy parts from the yellow pods. Next, add the clean jackfruit pieces into your blender. Pour in about 1 cup of cold milk or your preferred dairy-free alternative. Secure the lid and blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and has a wonderfully creamy consistency. This step is key for a perfect milkshake. Once blended, it's time to adjust the sweetness to your liking. You can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, maple syrup, or sugar. Blend for another 15 to 20 seconds to ensure the sweetener is fully incorporated. Taste and adjust if needed. Pour your freshly made jackfruit milkshake into a tall glass. For an extra chill, you can add a few ice cubes. Garnish with a small jackfruit piece or a mint sprig if desired, and enjoy this delightful beverage. Here are a few pro tips for the ultimate jackfruit milkshake. Always use very ripe jackfruit. Its natural sweetness and aroma are unmatched. If your milkshake is too thick, simply add a splash more milk until it reaches your preferred consistency. For a colder drink, you can even freeze some jackfruit pieces beforehand. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to enhance your home. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.